So today we're going to be talking about the Salsa with Silvia Rhythmic Gymnastic program with head coach Lillia Ashirova. So Lillia, talk to me about your background as a gymnast and as a coach.
Well, I started very early because I was copying my older sister. I started at 4 years old, and it was a little bit tough and dramatical experience for me because of high expectation. As a head coach, I'm trying to do different and in the other way. The same rhythmic gymnastic benefits, but this time with less dramatical experience. So kids are mostly enjoying being here, enjoying doing what they do, enjoying to perform. They're being awarded for what achieved, not being judged for mistakes.
So here at the Salsa with Silvia studio with the Rhythmic Gymnastics program, what is the goal when they start, even if they've never done it before? What are you hoping to accomplish with the kids?
The main goal is to give everyone, no matter what their gender is, no matter what their age is, an opportunity to enjoy rhythmic gymnastics, to perform and to compete, not being limited that you didn't start at 4 years old, so you have no chance to be a professional athlete or doing rhythmic gymnastics. There is a program for everyone.
What are some benefits for the kids, not just when they're training, but also in life? What would they gain from doing rhythmic gymnastics?
It can give them basic education and movement, can teach them how to dance, how to do some acrobatic skills, even basic tumbling. It definitely helps to raise confidence, raise self-esteem, be better organized and self-motivated. That's very important. Teaching them measure their time management. I'm giving girls opportunities to show themselves as a team leader. And yes, friendship, and be more aware of other people. So I think it's very beneficial for any person, no matter what you're gonna do eventually in your life.
What about boys?
I am proud that time is changing, and now it's not only girls only. Now every boy, if they like to, they can start doing rhythmic gymnastics and enjoy it as well. And boys actually love that.
What would you say to parents if they think that their child is not flexible enough or they've never done it before?
Everyone can just give it a try. There is no such a thing like not flexible child. Everyone with hard work can develop this skill. That's a matter of time. It just depends on the dedication.
So there you have it, parents. We hope that this was a good overview of the program here at Salsa with Silvia with head coach Lillia Ashirova. She has an impressive background, and we hope that you can join us, and any questions you may have, we're here to answer these questions.
Thank you.